pyrolysis, oil and crude oil distillation. Distillation from conduit group can refine waste tire pyrolysis oil. Plastic pyrolysis oil. Used engine oil into diesel. The diesel can be used as normal diesel substitute in diesel engine. Indirect heating circulation system. Distillation vertical reactor. Water cooling circulation system. Decolor and deodor system. Purification system. Oil tank. Dedusting system. Indirect heating circulation system. To heat the indirect flowing heating medium, and indirect flowing heating medium will be circulated inside reactor and purification system to transfer heat to pyrolysis oil. Indirect flowing heating medium can be used again and again with less consumption. Indirect heating circulation system can help our clients to save fuel and heating time to achieve high efficiency. Water cooling circulation system. Our distillation reactor is vertical design. It is very convenient in discharging residue automatically. It has insulation cover to keep heat inside with higher efficiency. After heating, the distillated oil gas will flow into vertical condensers and be cooled down first into liquid oil, then the distillated oil gas goes to horizontal condensers. The exhaled oil gas will go through water seal, then it will be recycled into distillation reactor heating furnace for heating. Purification system. purification process. The fresh oil will be neutralized into chemical reactors and purification systems. The final diesel will be pumped into oil tanks for commercial usage. Discharge residue. Dusting system.